Bank Nifty only. So, as usual, we would not start with the post market analysis. Just wanted to share with you because, like you, I am also learning from different YouTubers or good content writers. But just do not fall prey to the other YouTubers who just wanted to increase the views, likes, and whatnot things on their channel. So, just take a look at this thumbnail. So what it is trying to say, those who don't know Hindi, I would try to explain that operators would try on Monday and see that Bank Nifty falls. Okay, so this is what the thumbnail means. तो मेरा यही कहना है सब लोगों को कि ऐसे थंबनेल्स देख के वीडियो कुछ जन रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन करो, मेरा कोर्स ज्वाइन करो, मेरा ये ज्वाइन करो, वो ज्वाइन करो। तो मेरा किसी को क्रिटिसाइज करने का या फिर भला बुरा कहने का कोई इंटेंशन नहीं है। कोई यूट्यूबर्स अच्छा कंटेंट भी देते होंगे, लेकिन इस थंबनेल को प्रॉपर देख के इस या फिर और बहुत कुछ रहते हैं मार्केट में, बहुत बड़ी गिरावट, ये होने वाला है, वो होने वाला है, उन थंबनेल्स को देख के आप ट्रैप ना हो, यही मेरा इंटेंशन है। जो भी जेन्युइन कंटेंट है उस कंटेंट को सीखो, हजार वीडियोस देखो, सीखो और ट्रेड खुद के दिमाग से करो, ना कि उनके दिमाग से जो वो बोल रहे हैं। अगर तो चलो, मुझे एक चीज क्या दिखानी थी या फिर व्हाट आई वांटेड टू प्रूव दैट एज पर ही इज सेइंग, whoever the YouTuber is, he is trying to say that operator will try and see that market falls heavily uh, for the Bank Nifty. Okay, so let us see in the post market analysis what things happen. Okay, so in the post market analysis, I had already told you how to take the trade based on opening. So if the opening was flat, I told you that we can get a good buying opportunity considering this resistance line to be broken because it was tested multiple times. And yeah, it was tested multiple times. Okay, so let us see how market open. So market open flat, we can say, below this particular resistance line level, and we saw good movement. And yesterday I was thinking, or my view was bearish. I even stated in the analysis video, and I was not comfortable in buying because there were multiple resistances. One was the horizontal resistance, this was the resistance zone, one another resistance level, and this particular resistance line. So I was more interested on taking the uh, trade on selling side if market reaches at this particular zone. And same thing happened, market reached this zone and we saw a good downfall. Okay, so this was one thing. And second thing, I have shared in my video that Bank Nifty is forming the flagpole or symmetrical triangle pattern. So those who don't know what the flagpole pattern is, flagpole pattern is basically, it's like a flag. So this is acting as a pole, and this section is a flag. And flagpole pattern is a bullish pattern, where in this particular article I had given you the targets as well. So bullish pattern, we hardly missed our target by 50 points. And another pattern was symmetrical triangle pattern, where market can break on either side. So another point while taking the trades was, we had a good support at the bottom to take the trade on sell side. And I had clearly mentioned that take the trade below 35,700 if market goes down. And the same thing what we saw, that second target was not achieved because we had a good resistance at this particular zone. Okay, now let us move on to our daily analysis. So guys, I always say that analyze the chart from different time frames. So basically you should start with day view analysis. If you're trading for intraday, day view, 1 hour, 30 minutes and 15 minutes. So these four time frames you should analyze. And if you are doing a swing trading or what we can say positional, then you should analyze chart in weekly, 4 hours, and on month as well. Okay, So we can clearly see Bank Nifty is forming morning star pattern in a day view analysis. So I have highlighted two sections. What I want to show is, as we say, history repeats in the same manner, market repeats its pattern. Okay. So here you can see a big bullish movement, a downfall or a retracement, and then a bullish movement. Same thing, a big bullish movement, a downfall, and we may expect a bullish movement as well. So what is morning star pattern? I have given a small description. Just take a look at it. You may understand. In short, what is morning star? So basically, it is a bullish candle, then a doji candle, and a big, sorry, first candle is a big bearish, second is a doji, and third is a bullish. S- Same over here. First is a bearish, second is bullish, second is doji, and third is a bullish. So I hope if you understand what is morning star pattern. If you don't understand, please put your questions into the comment section. I would definitely reply to it, your questions. Now let us see what do we have for intraday level. Okay, so intraday levels, at the bottom we have 35,500 as a strong support. Next support is at 35,800. Resistance level, we have a good resistance at 36,200. Okay, and strong resistance at 36,500. So I have marked good support zone between 35,800 to 900, good resistance zone between 35,200 to 300, and we have a no trade zone between 36,000 to 30 36,100. Let us go one by one. So yesterday I had marked this resistance line, and you can clearly see that market has been registered at 3 points. So more chances of breaking this resistance line, and we can expect a bullish movement. Same thing we saw, this resistance was broken and we saw good bullish movement, but we had a good resistance zone over here from where we saw good downfall. Now one more thing to take or look at it clearly is, this line I have marked as a red. Okay, and continuation line I have marked as a green, because as usual we say, or it is a simple funda, when a resistance is broken, okay, when a resistance is broken, it acts as a support. Okay, so this is the live and very good example. This trend line was resisting market at four places, and then it started acting as a support. You can see market bounced back from this particular level. Second thing is, we can see another support line. So market is taking support at first, second, third, three places, more than three places. So again, be alert, it can break as well. When support or any resistance is tested multiple times, then there are more possibility of a breakdown or a breakout. So wha- these were the things regarding support and resistance. Now regarding the price action, those who want to learn, we, or we can say that market never moves in a straight line in upward direction. Market moves by making higher highs and higher lows, and in a downtrend it forms lower highs and lower lows. So when we saw this bullish movement, okay, market started moving down by making higher lows and higher highs. Okay, sorry, it is lower lows and higher highs. Okay, and from here when it bounced back, it formed the higher high and higher low. So tomorrow also we may see, and we can see an upward movement as well. So this was regarding the small explanation of a price action, how the market moves by forming higher highs, higher lows. In the downtrend, it forms the lower highs and lower lows. Okay. So one more thing to consideration: if market sustains about 36,000, then we may expect a sideways. Okay, in this particular zone between 36,000 to 36,300. Now how to take the trade? As usual, if market opens with a gap up around this particular level where I have marked it, that is 36,080, then you can go for buy. But we have a good resistance at this particular level. So likewise, today if market opens with a strong candle, or if it breaks 36,200, then what will happen? It would retest this level, it would come down, and if it shows a bullish candle, then enter into the trade. Then we can see a very good movement of 300 points. Market can reach to 36,500. Okay, so this was regarding market opening with a gap up. Second, if market opens gap down, okay, it has to break this level, 36,000 level. Then this level would act as a resistance. If market opens above this particular level, then it would act as a strong support. So what would happen if market opens gap down? We can see it may take support of the this trend line, or we may even see the downfall, breakdown of this particular support line. From this particular level, we have a good support zone and good support at this particular level as well, 35,800. We may see a bounce back as well. Okay, and what point is remaining? Okay, I think I have covered almost all points. So guys, what I wanted to say, you watch 100 videos but do not fall prey to such videos. Open account under me, join my telegram channel, or join this. If there are genuine content, do join. uh, Watch for few days, but trade, learn something from them, and trade on your own. Okay, so I hope you like my analysis. So my motto is to help our new joiners who are coming into the market, and without having the knowledge of trading, they enter into the trade and lose money. So at least few of my points would be a good learning for them. So please hit the like button and share with your friends. Okay, and do subscribe to my channel to get the daily analysis.